In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a map chart in Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to visualize geographical data directly in your spreadsheet, this is a handy tool that makes your data analysis pop. Let's dive straight into it. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open and your data is ready. You might have country-specific data like sales figures, population metrics, or any other numerical values that you'd like to present graphically on a map. Once your data is neatly organized, we can start with the process of creating a map chart. Begin by looking at the navigation menu at the top of your Google Sheets. You'll want to find the menu labeled Insert. You'll need to click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with a set of options. This menu is your gateway to adding various elements like images, drawings, and our focus today, charts. Once you've opened this menu, look within it and click on Chart. This action will automatically create a default chart on your sheet and open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. The chart editor is a versatile tool that allows you to customize and choose the exact type of chart you want. Now, in the chart editor, you'll see an option that says Chart Type. Clicking on this will give you access to a plethora of chart options. Scroll through this list until you find GeoChart. Maps are located here because they provide geographical data visualization, hence the name. Select the GeoChart option, and you'll notice that your default chart transforms into a map. This map will now visualize the data from your sheet directly onto a geographical outline. The map chart intuitively displays values with color gradients or bubbles depending on your dataset, giving you an immediate visual grasp of geographical distributions and making it much easier to identify trends and critical insights. Now, a few quick tips before we wrap up. First, always ensure your data is clean and well-structured. Consistency is key when it comes to geographical data. Secondly, explore the customization options available with the GeoChart. Adjusting colors and regions can impact how effectively your data story is communicated. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a map chart into your Google Sheet. This process is a fantastic way to layer in a geographical dimension to your data story, adding a visual punch and making your data more engaging and insightful. Happy charting!